50व्या इफ्फीच्या इंडियन पॅनोरामा खातीर बऱ्यापैकी दर्जेदार सिनेमा सिलेक्ट करपाक मेळचे म्हूण एंट्रीचे दीस म्हयनोभर आयल्यान हाडल्यात.
Today we have officially announced the call for entries for the Indian Panorama section, and we are hopeful that we will receive a large number of entries like we received last year. The process, as you all know, the festival dates have also been confirmed. It will be the same as last year, from November 20th to 28th. And in the Indian Panorama section, we select a total of 26 feature films and 21 non-feature films, which are the best of the Indian cinema. This year, we made some small changes in our regulations, so that is why we specifically thought we should have the media briefing. Is that we have preponed the last date for certification by censor board by a month. Till last year, we used to allow entries which were permitted up to 31st August. This time we have actually taken up to August, so the end of August. This time we are doing it till the last month of July. So but the last date for submitting entries will be 7th of August, which will be online entry process. From last year we have shifted to online submissions, and the payment for fees is also online this year. So the online forms have to be filled by the filmmakers by 7th of August. And the hard copies should be sent to our office before 14th of August.
इफ्फी खातीर परमनंट सुवात थारावपाचो यत्न चल्ला. अंदूचो इफ्फी तेच सुवातेर घेवपाचो विचार आसा म्हूण तालक उलयलो.
CM is very much interested. We had our meetings, and if everything goes well, the 50th year of this IFFI will be in the new premises. That's what CM's interest is. Okay, but everything has just started. So by December we'll come to know when this film festival gets over. We'll get a clear idea.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार.